Hi there. In this lesson, you will learn about working with arrays and strings in Java. You will start with the basics of arrays and learn about single-dimensional and multi-dimensional arrays. You will also learn about creating arrays and various operations that can be performed on them. After that, you will move on to the working with strings in Java. You will learn about the different string manipulation methods that Java offers and how to use them. You will also learn about string buffers and string builders, which are used for efficient string manipulations. Lastly, you will learn about the string pool in Java, and its importance in memory management. By the end of this lesson, you will have a strong understanding of how to work with arrays and strings in Java. You will be able to use them in your own programming projects. See you in the next video.